In the business world, opportunities are abundant, but true synergy is rare. On March 20th, a video conference marked the beginning of Naipu's partnership with a client. Just 5 days later, they traveled thousands of miles to visit our factory and engage in face-to-face discussions. Their enthusiasm and decisiveness for cooperation earn our deepest respect. We look forward to walking side by side in the future, starting a new chapter of mutual benefit. With over 20 years of experience in the pump industry, Naipu showcased the core products during the visit. Their refined appearance and outstanding performance caught the client's attention, prompting them to ask questions and inspect the products. When we explained the advanced technology behind them, they were even more impressed. Our professional quality has earned international recognition, and we have the strength to support your projects. We look forward to creating endless possibilities together.